So the truth is, me and my baby father done. When I have to go back, I go back. And I've decided to go home with my kids to begin a new life. So this is the beginning of my single mother journey. I'm going to take on with me step by step, every step of the way. So yeah, a good thing my mother accept me back home. One thing I know is I'm not going to stay underneath no man if I take no disrespect from no man. I prefer take it from my own family them. As much as them can be fucked up, I prefer take it from them. So journey with me. Next day I help me with bag them. Journey go to the bus stop. Morning pretty though, me not tell no lie. Hey, where's the troublesome? I work. Me not carrying that the little bag the fear too lazy. Just reach the bus stop. So baby them and the bag them there. They are away from bus, me not sing on it. So my heart make you look at me and sweet. Yeah, so first of all, man, we want to know that this is going to be the only video. Me and my baby father after this, I'm not talk about him again. So I'm soon telling you where I'm going, man. Soon telling you where I'm going. Just wait till I reach home. I sit down and I'm telling you everything. Just, yeah. Yes, so people see it, they will reach. See me have my bag the man still here. Same place which I'm telling us where I come from. Yeah, me reach back of the yard and everything. Yeah, with my baby them, well, I never have no credit, so I couldn't call nobody to come help me with the bag them. So I'm just gonna try to help myself. No. Go on. So I'm just me and them, you know. I go on my yard. Alright. You know my sister like tell me say nobody no did the door lock, so it look like my mother gone at church. I tell you everything does stressing. Right now I bag them heavy, me can't even manage with the baby. Why? So as me say people, when we reach over and I sit down, I go tell them everything while going. I make you know everything. Even though certain things I still not going to mention. Because I know the internet, you know. I learn the internet and I study the internet. So I know what I say and what I not say. Because I have kids. And in the future, I don't want nobody use things when I step on the internet for bullying my kids them when them reach certain age and start go high school or yeah. So me have to know what I step on this, but still I'm gonna make you know certain things and know what I want. As I say, me and my baby father done. We don't have no go back. I'm not go back this time. So I'm going back home to my family them. Yeah, me I go suffer a little bit in the car. I done tell them already say me not have no helpful, nice, proper, good family, but I prefer stay around them than to take disrespect from man. And I just that. Right, so people, this is my mother's place, so I'm telling me say she did a build up after the house burned down. So she had to tile out the floor and something. So I just want to look at one room as I tell her now. My brother father try to finish it up for her and thing. So I come back to my yard for good. So I just have to go and catch in here with my mother until I find my own place, you see. So first thing I do tomorrow when I wake up, if I feel even walk go Spanish town, I tell you, say I start go on myself for now until I can find somewhere for me and my kids them lay away and not be a bother to my mother and none of that. Alright, so I tell you, say me I go talk to and make you know what go on. So, that me there about, you see me? So, as me say, me and my baby father is no longer together. I finally decided to not take any more disrespect and just move on with my life, me and my kids, and just be a single mother. So, the reason why I did stay with him so long, you know, and I did take all of the disrespect that I could have take from him and all of that, is because, as I say, I don't really have a family like that. So I always want to build a family of my own. So I stay around him thinking that him did want a family too. So that's why I sit down and I take all of the disrespect, all of the abuse, I take everything I could have taken from him. Just because I never want my kids them to grow up in a broken home like what me go through. And then again, I am a whole broken person. I would even call myself whole. I get hurt a lot. My father disappoint me. The biggest disappointment I ever woke up on. A lot of people hurt me, and I always never want my kids to grow up in a broken home. I always never want my kids them to go through what I go through as a child. So I did I try to have a father present in the house alongside a mother. Like I always want a two-parent home for my kids because I don't want them to go through what I go through, if you understand what I mean. So I years I sit down and take the abuse and the disrespect because of that. Years now. There's a lot of things when I go through with him, and I just decide say no, this is not it. Because why me a run down family when the whole time it's like me can't see God. I try to tell me say sometimes a family is just a mother and their kids. I'm not have to present. Sometimes God I try to show you say, hey, a family is just a mother and their kids, you know. Sometimes it can be just that. So when you're around down, you just not go. And another thing is I go through a lot of abuse with my baby father. Domestic abuse. So that's why when I did talk about him sister, I tell him to say, I not judge her, I not give her a relationship advice, because me know what I go through with her brother. So I never did go up on her, I never did go disrespect her and do none of that. You see me? Because me know what me go through. Just because me did want a family for my kids, and I didn't want to grow up. But now my kids them grow up in a one parent home and always see their mother cry and happy become happy and struggle, and I can't do it for my own. But eventually I have to go do it for my own now. So I decide to just take that road there by myself and do everything I can do to make sure my kids them alright. I don't even know when I go sleep tonight because my mother place not finished. I never did for come up so early. But I just come because I can't take the disrespect no more. You see me? I prefer take disrespect from my family them than I take it from a man. That's just my thing. I prefer take disrespect from my family them than take it from man, stranger, or people out the road. I prefer take it from my family them. Even though my family full of shit and they're not perfect, and I know how much sufferation me and my opinion them go through here, so I prefer go through it here so than for go through it underneath a man roof. So as I say, how far me and my baby father come from, you see me? I meet him back in 2018. I gave him his first child. He gave me my first child. So the two people now we have are only just them him have and them me have. So as I said, he was abusive. The first time this man put him hand on me, it made my blood run. It made my blood run. Then I end up going sentence to the hospital and about 3 to 4 stitches. I think the bruise still there's somewhere on my forehead. Somewhere up here so. If me remember well, them time their mother did move and go and live at Paritown. Me and him alone did live in the house up at Falkland, up at Mansfield Heights this so. I remember what happened the night. I remember what I said to him the night. And him get up and I remember good that him take a dragon buckle. If I don't want dragon buckle, I want a red stripe buckle. Him take a dragon buckle or a red stripe buckle and him lick me in my head side about 6 to 7 times. He lick me over and over in my head side until me just start see blood a spray all over in the room which part me and him there. I think I did the kitchen area and me did I try cook something to eat because I'm hungry that night. We did only have one child, we did only have Shay. But Shay did the which part him mother there. No lie. We did have my baby father is no longer together. I finally decided to not take any more disrespect and just move on with my life, me and my kids, and just be a single mother. So the reason why I did stay with him so long, and I did take all of the disrespect them I could have take from him and all of that, is because, as me said, me don't really have a family like that. So I always want to build a family of my own. So I stay around him thinking that him did want a family too. So that's why I sit down and I take all of the disrespect, all of the abuse, I take everything I could have take from him. Just because I never want my kids them to grow up in a broken home like what me go through. And then again, I am a whole broken person. I would even call myself whole. I get hurt a lot. My father disappoint me. The biggest disappointment I ever woke up on. A lot of people hurt me and I always never want my kids to grow up in a broken home. I always never want my kids them to go through what I go through as a child. So I did I try to have a father present in the house alongside a mother. Like I always want a 2-parent home for my kids because I don't want them to go through what I go through, if you understand what I mean. So I years I sit down and take the abuse and the disrespect because of that. Years now. There's a lot of things I go through with him and I just decide say no, this is not it. Because why me a run down family when the whole time it's like me can't see God. I try to tell me say sometimes a family is just a mother and their kids. I'm not a present. Sometimes God I try to show you say, hey, a family is just a mother and their kids, Sometimes it can be just that. So when you're around down, you just not go happen. And another thing is I go through a lot of abuse with my baby father. Domestic abuse. So that's why when I talk about him sister, I tell him to say, I not judge her. I not give her relationship advice because me know what I go through with her brother. So I never did go up on her. I never did go disrespect her and do none of that. Because me know what me go through. Just because me did want a family for my kids and I didn't want to grow up. But now my kids them grow up in a 1-parent home and always see their mother cry and happy become happy struggle and I can't do it for my own. But eventually I have to go do it for my own now. So I decide to just take that road there by myself and do everything I can do to make sure my kids them alright. I don't even know when I go sleep tonight because my mother place my finish. I never did for come up so early. But I just come because I can't take the disrespect no more. You see me? I prefer take disrespect from my family them than I take it from a man. That's just my thing. I prefer take disrespect from my family them than take it from man, stranger, or people out the road. I prefer take it from my family them. Even though my family full of shit and they're not perfect, and I know how much sufferation me and my opinion them will go through so I prefer go through it so than to go through it underneath a man roof. So because him find woman and as she come first him right now, not even pitting them. You see when him there which part she there, since recently that me and him still live together, You see since him find woman, you see when him there which part she there, he put him phone pan do not disturb. So you see even if none of the pitting them are dead, you can't call him and get him. Him not answer, him not pick up car phone the pan do not disturb or him lock off him phone. Because as she I am priority. And you see, because my kids are my priority, I just take them up and left him yard because me not depend with him depend. Because relationship no make me happy. My kids make me happy. So me have to take them and left so that he can be happy with who he's happy with. That's my decision.
When me see on the two baby girl tears run out of my eye. I'm sorry for what happened to you right now. I'm sorry what happened to you and the two babies. You get me? And believe you me. So when I done that house, I already show you. I'm going to make a bedroom. I'm going to make a room just for my grandson. I'm going to make a, if you don't want to carry them come here, yes or no, that's your problem. But I'm not going to stay in no rent house anymore. Every dollar I have, every money I have, a pay rent, it is going to go in my house. I have grandkids. I can't cock up in a rent house, mama. I want something for myself and my grandbaby them if they want to come stay with me for a week or two. You understand what I say? So I don't know what happened to you these last few days. I was not there. But I am so sorry. Because first thing first I can say about you, Chanel. You is a girl like this. You have good potential. You're bright. You're intelligent. Your mother grew you with manners. Me I tell you, me not go tell no lie on people, girl pitney. I see that about you. You have your dirty ways, but I'm telling you, Chanel, me know you have ambition. You're an ambitious girl. You understand what I say? And for you, for bring them grandbaby, they come for me. Me, you know, me can have 2 grandbaby. Me thank you. But me not gonna lie, it's so heartbroken for soon to sit down and uno blame me. Uno blame me. Everyone uno blame me. Even me, I do that game, you know, I'm playing the blaming game. And right now, I want to stop off of that. That is not nice. When me look into it, and me people them who are watch me can say, Annie, you're playing too much blaming game. You need to blame yourself. You understand what I say? I look into it and I see it and I say, wow, for real, you know, because each time I come out on this, I blame somebody. I am not taking responsibility.